totally crossing the line. Literally crossing the line.
How? What do you expect me to put my thumbnail? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's a very exciting video. I
can't do that?
No. I finally convinced my boyfriend to create this beautiful look on him and that he's slayed. If you guys enjoy this video, please show some love. And if you guys want to see Jacob in more the glow.
The glow?
Anyways.
I feel like you trying to drink.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get started. We're about to do this. I always feel awkward in the beginning.
Like, don't go crazy.
We're about to give you a full face beat. He's
be tenor.
Alright guys, are you ready for this? If you see that light, just don't mind it. So I need to prime his skin. Do you have oily or dry skin? First of all, we need to moisturize your skin because you don't use moisturizer. If you have a boyfriend, make sure that you use moisturizer. Wash my hands. We're going to be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream as his moisturizer. Ready?
Yes. I want to do this.
Oh, by the way, do you guys want to know what I had to do for him to do this video? Actually, Jacob, why don't you tell them?
My homework?
No, like not even just your homework. What did I have to do?
Just a random assignment.
I had to do a research paper. He asked me what I had to do a research paper, so you can hit that like button. Ready?
10 minutes to write that paper. It takes me like hours.
Ready for eyebrows? Yo, I'm not even gonna lie. You're taking this pretty well.
Why? I'm just watching. I'm curious.
Honestly, I think.
Just go. I'm curious. It looks weird already. You do makeup, like the process of it. You have like everything like a clown midway, and then you like blend everything and show all your face.
I showed him like the contour today on me. Look at me.
What about every time?
No, look at me more.
It's just so weird on your skin. It feels like clay. Or
Ignore it, people. I rushed. I'm using spiked.
Ew.
My boyfriend has longer hair than I do, and I have his black hair all over everything of mine. What's your favorite makeup look? Hmm? I'm asking you a question.
Natural.
Get the out of here. When you never even see me natural. No, I'm just kidding.
That's how you go to work. Natural is like soft makeup.
My natural is still makeup. But other people's soft is not my soft, alright? Really good eyebrows. Look at me.
Just do it.
Why would you move?
Stop blaming me for messing up.
Makeup with you looking down. This is like story of a makeup artist life. Like clients saying that they could be texting while you're like trying to do like a wing liner and like moving their eyes.
Do you want to sit here?
Yes, put on music. I'm scared because Jacob's gonna look pretty.
I'm gonna wipe this off.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just because I know my camera is gonna end up dying before we complete this. Completed his eyebrows. Let me see. Are they even? I feel like this one, he has like a scar, so that's why this guy looks so thick in the front because I had to like cover his scar tissue. His eyes, look down. I already started to prime. Look down, close them. What are you doing? Can you stop?
I'm looking at my other eye.
You can't do that. No, seriously, stop. You can't be doing that. It's gonna come out like shit. Look down.
Do my right eye. Why can't I use my
No, you can't. Because you gotta relax your eyes. Stop. Seriously. Boyfriend would be your worst client, I swear. I'm blending it.
Wet.
Look up. Do that again. Raise your eyes.
It's wet.
I know. Do his skin first. I don't know. I'm feeling his skin first. But I want to do primer.
My eyebrow looks mad bright or light.
Just wait, Jacob.
And my skin looks weird.
Match Master 3.0, 2.0. I think 2.0 is gonna be good. He's gonna fall in love with like that flawless look, I guarantee.
Like pink. Ew, what's on my lips? I look weird.
Oh my god.
I feel like I look that weird. There's something wrong. I feel like my lips are not there. It's so weird.
So pretty. It's gonna be so weird. I'm gonna get some MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. The longer that you don't let me just do it, the longer it's gonna take.
You're not putting lipstick.
Yes, I'm putting everything. Lashes too. We agreed on
Putting lashes on me.
Yes, I am. Yeah, Jacob, yes, I am. Look up. No, like, I need to see. Like, look up. Like, open your eyes. Look at me. Open your eyes. Look up.
Ew, what is wrong? My eye, I feel it.
No, you don't.
Seriously.
Please don't.
Stop going to the same spots.
You gotta be snitch. The Tarte Pro Glow, it's just, it blends out like a freaking dream.
Yo,
it's amazing. It's amazing. Muddy. Look at straight at the camera.
Oh, it looks fake. I look like a dog. It looks weird. No. Go. I've never seen myself like this. What?
What the?
You fell?
Yeah. And you didn't save me. I'm doing this because he's so dry. But I want his face to be super structured, so we're just gonna do it anyways. Put in like a cranberry smoky eye.
Hurry up.
Anyway.
There's nothing in that shit. What are you putting on me?
Yo, you're so pleasing. Don't judge me for doing makeup, but like it's so hard to do makeup like in this position. Look at me. I'm trying my best. The Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, the petite version. I honestly wish I got the big version because I really do enjoy this palette a lot. No, you have to relax. He has such small little baby eyes. Look at me. No, like relax. Yes, just like that, but close. Stop looking. You look so good. It's so weird. Alright, look at me. Do it again.
Get this powder off my face. Like it's just like dust everywhere.
Can you stop? Look down. No, relax. Go up again.
Oh my god.
No, you're in. Just go like that for just 5 minutes for me, please.
It's starting to get weird now.
What do you mean now? You were feeling it before? Look down. Worst part about makeup. What do you hate?
The time, bro.
I'm surprised you didn't say the fact that it gets on all your clothes. Look down.
I don't care about that.
And go like this.
Bro,
Go like this.
forever.
Go like this. I'm really not. Yo, seriously?
I don't know what you're doing.
Well, like,
you're rolling your eyes. I don't know how to do that.
Raise your eyebrow. And close. So I'm really not bad. Like I can get ready in 30 minutes with a full face beat. So I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what that means. I get ready in 5 minutes.
Yeah, well most girls take 2 hours.
Bro, you just took 4 hours to do your own makeup today.
Okay, first of all, on the phone. I'm begging you. I'm cutting his crease, guys. So this is really the moment of truth. If he fucks this up, it's over. And do not open once you feel the brush lift up.
I'm doing what?
I said do your lashes, your eyeliner, and your lipstick, and your highlight.
That's it?
Yeah.
No eyelashes, no makeup.
No! Stop.
I'm not putting lashes. Like, I don't want lashes. You do my makeup, not extra stuff. Like, come on.
Makeup is lashes. You, Jacob, don't even. Don't even. Mark Excited was extra, but I still did it for you.
I don't want to put fake stuff on my face. Taking a photo of me. You're not. I never agreed to photo. That's OD. That's literally OD.
Okay, look down at me.
I would never agree to a photo. No, I'm not doing a photo.
Look down. Whatever. Whatever.
Eyelashes. I don't care. I'll get over it. Taking a photo of me. My eyes are.
Look at me.
Can you take this off? I can't see. Half my visual is blocked by this eyelash. Like I can see my eyelash. Can you take these off, bro? Messing my vision up. I can't see.
Down. So the camera turned off, so I finished his under eye lashes on. I put lashes on camera. I don't know, but you guys get the deal. He's pretty beat. So my grandma used this, and now my boyfriend. Look that way.
Which way?
Oh my goodness. Rematch.
Can you like do something on my lips? It makes me look really good.
Look at me.
And you. They just look so stupid.
So I look stupid.
I'm not saying you. I'm a guy with long ass eyelashes. That doesn't work.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yo, it's scary how pretty you are.
Come on.
Like it's.
It is. Come on. It's just everything's the only thing bothering me is the eyelashes. Like I just want to rip them off.
No. Please. Look, but you're not letting me do.
When you do my lips, they look more defined.
Oh, you're gonna slay a nude. Oh my god, can you just be a girl with me and we can just be best friends and do YouTube tutorials? Ooh, you got the best lips. So I think that's really it. Let me just spray you with some Fix Plus. Wait, you gotta do it all for them.
No, grab me a makeup wipe now.
Beauty, like look at this. Ah, you look so pretty. So guys, that concludes this video. I think he turned out to be a very pretty girl. Don't you guys? I think he pretty much slays this look. Favorite part about the makeup?
The smoothness of my skin.
Right? It's addicting. I'm
it's not
telling you.
addicting, it just looks flat. Like I'm like...
Matte? It looks
like
matte? Alright, well, what's the worst thing about the makeup?
The eyelashes, bro.
I know
I see them, I feel them, I just no. You're gonna take them off now.
Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, my loves.
Peace.